This week has been very unfortunate on my part. I on Wednesday started developing a sore throat, and my sickness went into the weekend. So my running has has fell off this week, and I think going forward it will be a little bit less as I'm still trying to recover from uh, from the sickness. I still I still want to emphasize that working out each morning is still uh, very vital in the progress. And I want to say running also does as well, even though I'm not running as frequently. I want to try to do at least one run either every 2 days or every other day when I'm not feeling 100%. Obviously, if I'm feeling up to the task, I'll try to do at least anywhere between 4 to 6 times a week, just depending on how I feel. Surprisingly, my squat, bench, and deadlift this week, I went up to the same weight. That was very interesting. So I went up to 275 on each squat, bench, and deadlift, and they all felt really good. And my squat, I'm just working on the depth of my squats, and I really like to uh, hit the depth so I can really feel uh, each muscle contracting as I'm going down and also as I'm going up. Here's the 275. The max that I've I've done is 315 at the moment, 3 plates, and really want to get this 275 up to 10 reps before I start attempting 315 again. Each time I attempt 315, it it feels it feels I don't feel too comfortable with it. Now the bench, on the other hand, I'm really starting to get in that rhythm of the my chest muscles. In my previous weeks, I believe when I first started, I had some issues when I pushed the 275. Um, I would get um, I would get soreness in the middle of my chest, and this week around the benching felt very good. Uh, 135 definitely very smooth in my reps. I always go down to my chest area and kind of hold it there for a quick second, half second, and then push right back up. Yeah, I mean, like at the last rep, you could see kind of, you know, that's the max I can do. Here's me attempting 275. yeah, I mean, just try to go for 5 there, but just couldn't get there. So 4 reps will do for this week, and I'm really glad with the 4 reps because uh, only in the beginning of this series that I really benched at that 275, and I never really approached it because I was scared that my chest would cramp up. But now, I mean, I think it feels good. Where I'll keep going on the 275 and really see where that takes me. Eventual goal would be to get 10 reps of 275. So that'll be some sort of goal I'll be working towards. And on Friday, that's kind of when the apex of my sickness really, where I really felt it, and uh, the workout was very short this time around. Uh, Even if I have a shortened workout, it doesn't mean it's a bad workout. I always like to get into the gym and kind of get my muscles moving and stretching, even though I'm not pushing myself 110%. It's really good to find other exercises that that you'll be able to benefit from. Uh, Maybe not directly, but definitely indirectly. I think other types of exercises, researching things that could help develop certain parts of your body, and not always focusing on the main lifts. I think that's very important. So yeah, my 275 deadlifts here, and it was just a struggle this week around. And here's my training running splits. The one of the runs I went with my sister on 6'4", and then the other runs were a little bit shortened, but um, just getting out there, really uh, putting in the work and getting the reps in really helps out a lot. Uh, that's it for this week. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.